Ngangong kumni ba ni don kam ya kilidar kiba ne jumon omni akiba nang ne shatai kin the
Ki samla jaga Trinamool Youth Congress haka khatsandri unai tong 8,000 ar kila keno badan kadau kaba pendong iki MLA jaka parti bakin pet no naka Trinamool batle jeso no shakawai pat ka parti habakran bagilar bathai khubor u president ka Trinamool Youth Congress uba Fernandes Khar ulong ru bakim don AA ban ong halor ka jingthmu jingkite ki MLA ban mi no naka parti shwa ki election MLA 8,000 ar kulai
lada kilami na kongres penyedon dak TMC mentapat kila persamaan wadi yang untuk kimio sawir syaharu kimio sakabalai rumio ban wan thai yang sekejuru imat kimsio kila singo daerah te kidon caktukan nih kiban yun katungka media report kumbokio te yang kita ngimla ban lada kita kilidar kims kam jumur ngim dan kamre ngim dan kam tangi kilidar kiban yoi but kay ka state jungi kalamat hakine ki sausna but balai ki ko man lejesno kan kita ki parti ki badan sarkar menta imai kala bandai nak menta jo ki shimet namara kapa ngidon ha opposition dengi ni ya persya mentapat kiko panyasno dengan la dong te namar kita ngangong kumni ba ngidon kam ya kilidar kibane jumon omni akiba nang ne shatai kin the TMC is from Bengal. Yes, I agree. It started from West Bengal. It's a party from West Bengal. Then what about Congress? The former party where I have been, it was formed in Mumbai and led by W.C. Banerjee, the first president, was a Bengali too. These are petty politics by those who are because they have seen that this is the force to reckon. TMC is the force to reckon in Meghalaya because all of them are in government. Be it they said that we are opposing our own government. It looks amused, I used to say. The people in the government oppose the government.